Pioneer Xumo TVs run on Android TV, making app downloads easy through the Google Play Store. Start from your home screen. Navigate to the Apps section on your home screen or search for Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store. Use the on-screen keyboard or voice search to find your app. Search for your desired app, like Netflix or YouTube. Select Install, and the app will download and install automatically. Ensure you have a Google account linked and grant necessary permissions during installation. Keep in mind the internal storage is 8 to 16 gigabytes, but you can expand with a USB drive. Make sure apps are Android TV optimized. Keeping your apps updated ensures optimal performance and security on your Pioneer Xumo TV. Updates are managed through the Google Play Store. To automatically update your apps, enable auto updates within the Play Store settings. For manual updates, go to My Apps in the Play Store to view available updates and update them individually. You may also receive system notifications for app updates. Regularly updating apps is crucial as Pioneer issues firmware updates to resolve bugs and improve app performance. If you are having issues with downloads, check to see if your Xumo TV model is up to date with the latest firmware.